At Taylor Homes, we feature long-lasting, durable brick. Our interiors come fully finished. Our customers can select a variety of colors and styles on everything from the lifetime dimensional shingles and brick to the carpet and kitchen countertops. Each home is tailored to your individual budget, needs, and desires. When you choose a Taylor home, you can be assured that you're getting more features for your hard-working dollar. By only using reliable, quality, and brand name materials, we give you peace of mind. With our valued customers' hard-working dollars in mind, we have established great standard features for our homes. Standard features that will save our customers money and aggravation. We pride ourselves in building very energy-efficient, maintenance-free quality homes. If you would like additional features, we offer thousands of options that can be tailored for your life. Here are some of the items we include standard in every Taylor home. For your peace of mind, 3-year whole house warranty, Energy Smart qualified homes, fully flexible stick-built custom designs using our designs or yours, truly tailored for your life. Free estimates, A+ rated, accredited, and awarded Better Business Bureau member for trust, performance, and integrity. Foundation features, a sump pump provided with every crawl space or basement, 15-year waterproofing on all basements, dehumidifier included with all basements. Framing features, 2x4 wall studs 16-inch on center on both exterior and interior walls, 5/8" OSB roof sheathing for a stronger roof, Advantech or equal 3/4" OSB subfloor, tongue and groove, nailed, glued, and screwed. Interior features, brushed, bronze, or satin nickel doorknobs and hardware, name brand kitchen and bath cabinetry with multiple styles and colors to choose from, GE dishwasher range and range hood, Sherwin-Williams paint, fully drywalled garage interior with painted finish. Energy efficient features, third-party Energy Smart qualified rater, highly efficient blown exterior wall insulation in most markets, Anderson windows with low E argon gas-filled double hung with full screens. Plumbing features, 50-gallon electric water heater and Delta brand kitchen and bath faucets. Electrical features, bronze, brushed, or satin nickel light fixtures, up to 3 Cat 6 outlets with Wi-Fi booster capability and 1 phone outlet. Exterior features, full brick wrap exteriors per plan, Owens Corning lifetime dimensional shingles, seamless aluminum gutters and downspouts, lifetime warranty on vinyl siding, temporary construction water for foundation, complimentary 50-foot construction drive. Exterior site work, backfill perimeter of foundation, final cleaning and inspection on both interior and exterior. In addition to our impressive list of standard features, we offer a selection of upgrades to help you create a home that truly reflects your individual taste. Here are a few examples of the thousands of choices available: decorative tray ceilings, additional square footage, and custom tile shower designs. Taylor Homes also offers our customers the opportunity to perform some installations themselves to obtain additional savings.